Namaste. Welcome to Recipe Pathshala. The dish that we are going to cook today complements the monsoon weather. It is a fusion of traditionally made besan chilla or gram flour pancake with veggies rolled in wheat base and served in the Frankie style. We are going to record this video in three parts. First part, how to make the pancake. Second, how to make the dough and the Frankie base. And third, how to combine both these items and make a Frankie. Ingredients that we require are 300 grams to 250 grams of gram flour in which we can make 3 pancakes. Vegetables are according to your liking. I have taken tomato, green capsicum, boiled green peas, onion, coriander for garnishing, green chili, lemon juice, ghee. Spices that we require are half teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt according to taste, 2 teaspoon of carom seeds and 3 to 4 teaspoon of fennel. Let's start making the pancake or chilla batter. Veggies according to your liking. I am adding all veggies but in less quantity because I want to keep my pancake thin so that it easily gets folded in the Frankie. I've added all the veggies, green chili, coriander, spices, hing, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of carom seeds, salt according to taste, 3 teaspoon of fennel, half lemon juice. Let's add water. This is the consistency of our batter. The batter is mixed now. We will keep it for resting approximately 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of resting, you can see how the batter has mixed completely with all the veggies. Now it is ready. Pan is warm. Let's grease it with ghee. You can use vegetable oil or olive oil also. Our pancake should be medium in size and not too thick so that they can easily be rolled in the Frankie. Portion starts drying, that means that the below portion is cooked and it is ready to be turned. Grease it with ghee and turn it. See how beautifully it has cooked. We are going to grease this portion also so that it remains moist. Let's check whether the other side is cooked or not. It's come out beautifully and our pancake is cooked. Ingredients that we require are approximately 150 to 200 grams of wheat flour, 2 teaspoon of dahi curd and salt to taste. Now we will knead the dough. Mix all the ingredients, wheat flour, curd, salt to taste. Mix it and knead it with little water. I have divided the dough in 3 parts. Now let's start rolling the Frankie base with it. We have rolled out a big chapati or a base. Now we'll check it. The size of your Frankie base should be more than the pancake. This is the exact size that we require. Now we'll keep this base for baking on a medium temperature. Now we will turn the chapati. It's baked from this side. We'll check from the other side. It's cooked. Now we will remove it. Ingredients that we require are butter, mayonnaise, green chutney and tomato ketchup. Now we will spread butter on the chapati. You can use cheese spread also. Place the chilla in the middle. Add green chutney, mayonnaise, tomato ketchup. Now we will make a Frankie roll. Fold from both the sides and start rolling from one of the corner. And wrap it with an aluminum foil. And our fusion of a gram flour pancake in Frankie style is ready. Cook, serve and eat it with a smile. Happy cooking!